In any programming language, concatenation of strings is very tedious task, and it is very difficult to maintain or concatenating multiple strings in a one single string. Okay, hi guys, my name is Hemant Panchal. Welcome to my channel. In this session, we will learn about template strings, how easily you can concat multiple strings. So first, let's see what are the problems in the double quotes and the single quotes. Okay, practically we will see. Now let's check this as a practically how string template works. Okay, let me declare a variable with the let keyword. Let str1. Okay, what I will write is lucky draw winner name. I will take winner name in another variable, say Panchal. Okay, let winner amount, one more variable. I will take this in a string. I will say 5,000, rupees 5,000. Okay, so finally what I will do, I will write final string str. What I will do is str1. First I will write welcome guest plus lucky draw winner name. I will put str1 plus, and I will put winner name. Okay, I will put a dot here at the end of the sentence. And winning amount is, what I will append here is winner amount. Now I will do console.log final str. Let's check here. Welcome guys, lucky draw winner name Hemant Panchal, and the winning amount is 5,000. As you see here, I have done lot of concatenation of string, and it is very difficult to append and to understand what exactly string is. Okay, so to overcome this solution, how we can write is, okay, I will overwrite the same variable. I will use static. Okay, welcome guest. I will write dollar $str1. Okay, and I will write here winner amount. I will put dot here, and winning amount is, oh sorry, I think I missed the close bracket here, and winning amount is, okay. So I will declare this as a let, and I will comment this line. Let's see if this is printing the same. Correct. Welcome guest. Lucky draw winner name is name. Oh, I forgot to, here it will become winner name. Welcome guest, lucky draw winner name Hemant Panchal, and the winner amount is 5,000. So everything is same, so I don't have to break my string. Okay, but in this case I have done lot of breaking of string, and it was not easy to maintain, and this is very clean picture. Okay, so you can declare the variables using the dollar here also and here also. Okay, now so what we saw, what was the problem in the double quotes and the single quotes, and and we have used that backtick as a template string. Okay, now let's see escape sequences in the template strings. Now suppose I have to write the guest name. Okay, in suppose you are viewing my uh, this winning message, so I have to write this message in the double quotes. Let's see what problems comes when you work in this string. Okay, already you are using double quote, and if you put double quote here, it will break your string. So how you maintain is using the escape sequences. Okay, this will print correctly double quote as you see here. But this is very simple when you are using backtick. So if you put double quote here, it will not break this string. So this is very clean, neat and clean implementation of string concatenation. Okay. One more problem in this is you cannot write in multiple line. Let's see, I have to write this here. So this is breaking my current string. You cannot move this to the next line. Okay. Now let's see in this backtick. Wow, this is not breaking my string. Okay. I am able to see my entire value as is. Okay, this but winning amount came in the next line, but in an existing string. So this is how you can format your string in the backtick. So this was basically a multi-line strings. Now let's see expression in the template string. Let me undo this. Okay. Let's see. I have created a function get amount. I have written rupees 4,000. Okay. Now I want to use this in my string. Okay. Let me do in this first. Instead of winner amount, I will use get amount here. Okay. Still, I'm using the concatenation of multiple small string. Also, I have appended this method. I have concatenated this method at the end of the string. Okay, correct. I'm able to see this 4,000. Now, in my backtick string, okay, instead of winner amount, I will write get amount. So I can call my method, my function here. Wow, you can see the same values. Okay, no changes in the string, no error in the string, no error in the output. So this is as expected get amount. So we saw how expression works in this string, and now let's see conditional, how conditional works in the template string. Now let me declare this winning amount as integer value. Okay, that let me put status. Okay, interesting. So what I will do, I want to change my status or say if my amount, okay, if my winner amount is greater than equal to 5,000, then I will give Amazon voucher, else I will give Flipkart voucher. Okay, and what I will do, I will append the same here, welcome guest. and winning amount is this from dollar. I will put as a status here. So my winning amount is rupees 4,000 from the Flipkart. So my conditional statement also works. It has selected Flipkart because my get amount is 4,000. Sorry, I have to write here 4,000. Okay. Okay, I have written here only 5,000. This is correct. So my winner amount is 5,000, but I have written my winner if my winner amount is greater than equal to 5,000. Then I put print Amazon else Flipkart. So let me put the condition here. If my winner amount is greater than equal to say 7,000, then I will go for Amazon voucher, else I will go for Flipkart voucher. Okay, so I will use, and winning amount is amount from status. Okay, this is correct. Let me check in my browser. So I have request welcome guest. Okay, so I have my winning amount is rupees 4,000 from Flipkart. Correct. Now let me change this to 7,000. Okay, it is now from Amazon. So conditional statement is also working.